Love is in the air, and thousands of U.S. citizens and green card holders are actively looking to sponsor their spouses to live permanently in the United States with them to begin their lives together. Whether your spouse is living abroad or already living temporarily in the United States, there are a couple of important steps to follow and complete correctly to reach success. Once you've submitted the needed application forms, you and your spouse will need to attend an immigration interview, which can be daunting to many applicants. A marriage-based green card interview is the last big step within the spousal sponsorship process, and it's vital to prepare yourself as it's ultimately where your final outcome is made by an immigration officer. An immigration officer's job during an immigration interview is to assess if the person immigrating to the United States is coming with good intentions and is likely to abide by U.S. immigration laws. If your spouse is living abroad during the application process, they should expect to attend this immigration interview alone after receiving an appointment notice with a date, time, and location, usually in their home country. If you are both living in the United States, you may be asked to interview together or separately, so it's important to be prepared for both. When getting ready for this interview, there are a few things that you should do, which include speak with your spouse and be sure that you are both remembering the details of your relationship correctly. Next, you should gather all of the original supporting documents that you included in your application. This usually includes birth certificates, marriage certificates, prior divorce papers, etc. And lastly, on the flip side, you should also prepare new documents to validate you and your spouse's relationship. This can be through pictures, joint billing accounts, wedding photos, or anything related to you two being together. When attending your marriage-based green card interview, you should expect to be asked numerous questions about yourself, your spouse, and your relationship together. More specifically, you will be asked questions about your relationship history, your wedding if you had one, daily routines if you live together already, your kids if you have any, and anything else significant to you as a couple. The good news is that after your appointment, you will know whether or not you've been approved based on your interview. You could be approved, denied, asked to attend a second interview, need additional reviewing, or be given an RFE, which is a request for evidence. Attending your marriage-based interview can be an overwhelming process, but it doesn't have to be with the help of an immigration professional. Having someone at VisaPlace be by your side through the application process and interview steps will increase your chances of success. Book a consultation to get started, and we look forward to working with you.